Welcome back to Solving Factory. Today, let's talk about how we can turn 0 Robux into countless Robux in Roblox. Let's start. Open up your browser on your PC and go to roblox.com. After that, go to the Roblox homepage and then click on Buy Robux and then scroll down to Languages and select the unsupported language at the bottom. Everything should be in English. After that, select how much Robux you want, click Add Star Code, and type in Flamingo. Next, edit the URL to roblox.com/redeem and go to the promo code section. Now enter this and keep hitting redeem until the text changes to an unexpected error. And just wait that your Roblox will change. It may take a few minutes, and there you go. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.